A new video idea. We got to guess the anime character by the voice. You guys have to comment the anime character before I guess the character in the comments and comment it. The thing is, we only have 8 characters here. I couldn't find a video with long characters. Later tonight, I will find another one and re-upload another video. Today, we're gonna try to guess this 8 anime characters and get 8 out of 8. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button before we start. In 3, 2, 1, out.
始めるか。その人たちは神羅万象を砕く力を持つ。
They sound like Madara, Uchiha, Tojo.
内浜だらも全力で答えよ。俺の計画は終わらん。
おめえの力そんなもんなんか。俺とおめえすんげえ力持ってんな。
The Madden, Goku.
よし、オラが思った通りのやつだ。
Goku.
オラの勝ちだ。
すぐに終わる。弱えやつは死に方も選べねえ。何度やっても同じだ
A
から。
clue, it's not Sasuke, it's Law. How do I know this? Because I'm a genius. You
誰の口で
listen.
も取ってやるよ。冷静に対処すればこれが力の差だ。お前は弱いの
It's
では
not
ない。
Yurichi. There's another clue. It's Itachi.
もういいか。お前から勝利を得るなど足りないからだ。てめえ何者だよ。早く
That
げ。んな
another
もんじゃ
clue
ね
is
え
not
だろ。
Sanemi. It's Bakugo.
俺の勝ちだ。いいから次来いや。よっしゃー。魔法帝に必要なのは
Easy.
あいつは俺がぶっ
Come on.
倒す。
It's not Tanjiro. There's another clue. It's Asta.
どんと来い。諦めないのが俺の唯一の武器だ。ここで永久に凍ってる修行の相手なら
It's not
まだ
Tenji
終
and
わりじゃねえ
Kaneki.
よ。
It's Toshiro.
てめえに勝ち目はねえ。まだ終わりじゃねえよ。ごめんそれ俺食べちゃった。いいやるったらやる。
Oh, Itadori. I heard it, boys.
いいやるったらやる。俺はとにかく人を助けたい。
So, guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and tell me in the comments if I have to do my if I have to make my videos even better, longer, higher quality, better sound trip. Just tell me. The lighting must be better. I'm new to the stuff, guys. So just tell me in the comments what I need to improve. So let's get out.